FEU fighting back to get the lead. Getting 6 straight points. Some of them easy, some of them hard. NU throwing away some quick points. And now they are fighting to regain the lead. Henson, a free ball for NU. Comes Nepomuceno. Solid hit from Magsumbol that time.
Good defense we're seeing from both squads, but Morada gets blocked by Sante.
Sante was all over that ball. Excellent play.
Look at Sante timing. And you can see the flick of the wrist. She really wanted to bring that ball back.
Rialen Sante out of San Antonio de Padua College.
Morada just using smart skills na talaga, placing the ball. Not too much power on that attack.
FEU 17, NU 16. Set number 4. NU up 1-0. We're tied at 17 all. That wasn't a much of a play. Para swerte na siya kay Mangi.
Dumaplis sa kamay ng blockers ng FEU. You know, this is such a great way to open this season. First game, and look, the game is very tight. FEU is still trying to get the 4th set, to extend this game to a 5th set. Good dig by Morada. Oh, free ball! She asked for it, but then she let it go. And Vargas was like, I thought it was yours.
There you see the chemistry. Not yet well mixed and blended for FEU.
Oh, that's right. Morada actually, said it's mine.
Yeah, it's mine.
Pero nung napansin niya lumagpas sa ulo niya, she let it go. She gave... Not what Coach Francis is expecting from Sante.
After fighting hard for the lead, NU gives it up on a service error from Sante, who gets pulled out by Reyes, the libero of NU. Mangi. Magsumbol to Vargas on the other side. Mangi.
Magsumbol for the drop.
Nepomuceno on the other side.
Look at Nepomuceno's reach. She has a slim frame, so when you see her jump, parang ang gaan-gaan niya. Look at her leap, look at the reach. She was on top of the 2 blockers of FEU.
And perfect approach as well. Now NU on the driver's seat, 19-18.
Good reception.
On the side of NU. They're up by 2, 20-18.
And this is not the position that Lady Tamaraos want to be in. It's their last chance to extend to a 5th set, but they're down by 2 points.
And they're in a position they're not familiar with as well.
That's right. Sabi nga natin, these are rookies. It's their first game on national television. First game here in UAAP volleyball, collegiate level. Tapos, sila pa yung humahabol. So it's quite difficult, I should say.
But they get a point. 19 serving 20. Soliven to Mangi. That's off the blockers. And another point for NU. Mangi. Very ecstatic about that point. She wanted that lead. Take a look here.
It's not yet too late for the Lady Tamaraos. All they need is to get back that winning attitude they had earlier. Must be easy for me to say because I'm not there.
Of
but
course.
It's another point.
Soliven worked hard for that. And the reception was a little too strong. Now Coach Nes Pamilar wants to talk things over. They're down 22-19.
Pagod na ba tayo? Naman kayo. Sipagan nyo pa, tagayin nyo, malayo pa yan. Malayo pa taga magtaas na maghabol sa bola. Pwedeng ganyan. Kasi ayaw, mahabol kayo bola. Pagdating ko, ayaw nyo habulin ng bola. Panonoorin nyo lang. Buhay ang bola, sunod na Sunod, lapitan nyo ng lapitan.
Mervic Mangi, one of two fourth-year players for National University, doing what she can, and so far it's paying off for National University. They are 3 points away from winning this match against FEU. From the back row, Magsumbol firing. Agno, Olivero picking it up. Vargas tips it. Soliven underhand set.
One doesn't go over. Lucky break for FEU.
Everyone here at the arena on the edge of their seats. This is going down the wire. 22-20. NU on top by 2 against perennial Final Four team FEU. Only time they missed, in recent memory, is last season. Ooh, that's a big error.
That is, especially, all of the points count at this point in the game. That was 1 free point for NU.
And they're 2 points away now from closing out the match. 23-20. Morada.
Morada had to adjust
Wrong
to that
approach.
set.
Soliven had the right intention, but just wrong execution.
And it was a good thing that C had a good sense of the court, and she was able to distinguish that it was going to go out. Otherwise, palabas siya. Kung nahabol pa niya yun, the ball, it could have gone NU's way.
Morada.
Oh, another drop ball.
Length of Sante causing problems for the offense of FEU. Great save. Free ball for FEU. Crowd is into this game right now.
Oh, it falls in the middle. You can see the frustration in Morada's face at this point. Right now, they don't have any choice, but to just go with the play. Right now, ang importante na lang to keep the ball alive.
Set and match point for NU as Agno and Magsumbol got frozen in their tracks. Or make that Vargas got frozen in their tracks. And there it is! NU carving out a win in 4 sets against the newly revamped FEU Lady Tamaraws. What a hard-fought game for NU. They started out slow, but eventually got their stride and they get their first win of the season against the Far Eastern University Lady Tamaraws. We'll take a break and wrap this game up. After these, take a look at the sets and the scoring by sets as NU wins it over FEU in 4.